They're so beautiful. Dear Tim and Moby, my parents want to buy a new TV. What kind should they get? Thanks, Sally. No way, those are so 1998. These TVs make images with a device called a cathode ray tube, or CRT. Flat-screen TVs use liquid crystal or plasma displays. No matter how a TV creates its images, it all starts with an electronic signal. Some TVs have antennas that pick up signals broadcast from a transmitter, just like a radio. But these days, most TVs receive their signal from a wire that runs into your house, or a satellite antenna that receives signals beamed from space. Anyway, once a TV receives the signal, it interprets the information to make the picture on the screen. Well, it depends on the type of TV. In a CRT TV, a device called a chrominance decoder splits the signal into three colors that form the picture: red, green, and blue. The three signals go to the cathode, a heated filament, kind of like the one inside a light bulb. Guided by an electromagnetic field, three beams of electrons stream off the heated cathode. The inside of the TV screen is coated with stripes or dots of phosphors, substances that emit light when they absorb energy. One electron beam hits only red phosphors, one hits the blue phosphors, and one hits the green phosphors. Combinations of lit phosphors can create colors other than red, green, and blue on your screen. Right, these flat screens are skinny because they don't use long cathode ray tubes. Instead of a beam of electrons, this liquid crystal display, or LCD TV, uses a backlight. That's a very bright light source located at the back of the TV. On its own, the backlight can't create any images. It's just a big light that's either on or off. Watching that wouldn't be much fun. To create an image, some of the light has to be blocked out or dimmed. First, the light waves are filtered so they're all moving along the same path. Then the light has to pass through another filter. In order to do so, the light waves have to be twisted 90 degrees. That's where liquid crystal molecules come in. A whole bunch of these rod-shaped molecules are sandwiched between the filters. The crystals line up with whichever filter they're closest to, making a helix shape, kind of like a strand of DNA. In this natural state, the crystals act like a tunnel for light, gradually twisting the waves so that they can pass through the second filter. The crystal tunnel untwists when it's zapped by an electric current, which happens when you turn on the TV. The stronger the current, the more the tunnel untwists, and the more it untwists, the less light gets through. The display creates shadows by applying different amounts of electricity to different parts of the screen.